Inventory is up 41% and contracts are up 43% year over year. It's Friday, October 17th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory rose to 221 units and the median list price rose to $799,000. 20 homes are coming soon at a median $500,000 list price. 26 homes went under contract in 15 days at a median $775,000. 19 homes sold for 98.1% list to sold ratio in 6 days with a median sales price of $500,000. 6 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $536,000 sales price in 4 days. 9 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $500,000 in 6 days. 4 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $474,500 in 6 days. Inventory for rentals remains fairly consistent at 61 for lease at $2,700 median dollars per month. You got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 17th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.